Wakobecha, you are welcome. Ukoko Uyono Urobo Robo Online Tutorials. Ebere Ihwegbira Part 13. Ibiebe Eta Ive 2-letter words. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Ibiebe Eta Era 3-letter words. Ota, speech. Itu, mushroom. Oti, leprosy. Ite, proverb. Oto, land or ground. Iriereta, sentence. Omamo ota, nice speech. Keve, ituna, give me the mushroom. Oga, roti, leprosy sickness. Iteraware, olden days proverb. Oto oseme, my father's land. Ukoko Uyono Urobo Facebook, join us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, it is free. Follow us on Instagram, IG Ukoko Uyono Urobo. Follow us on Twitter. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, it is free aware. And I remain your humble presenter, Ekurume Owumi Ogenenyeru. Wado Urobo Feyono Urobo is worth learning. Wado.